KT, which is Phuket in Haryana. Don't really care what happens. Substance never been important. I've lived my life with a shallow thought, and I want to continue that way. Quick rant before we introduce one of my favorite people on the show. Actually, is one of the most laid-back producers I've ever had in my life, which I think is just lovely, and never seem to ever feel any pain or anxiety, which of course will end once he marries somebody. But my rant is different. I had a fight again, argument rather, with a guy on the road. Again, coming up to the one way, and all I did was I use the abuse. Now I've started this style where I don't abuse fully. So I instead of Marky whatever, I said Marky Jai. I paused like a comedian. I go Marky Jai or Teri Behan ki Shadi. Now I'm saying, shouldn't that be allowed as non-abuse? Because then, of course, he got angry and abused me properly. Then I had to abuse him properly. I was like, look at my creativity. I abused you, but I didn't abuse you. So I made my point and you are not offended. But he took offense and abused me, and I was offended and I offended him back. And it went on. So it failed. My point is, let's put it out there that we should have what is called the pretend abuse, which is not abuse, and people should not react badly to that. It allows you to take out the angst and at the same time make your point, and the other guy doesn't have to take too much offense from it. We'll discuss it. It's called Cyrus Says. And Abbas joins us, our last producer before Silvery. That's true. Everyone who works on our show loses hair. Amit, point in place. Abbas, point in
Oh,
place.
damn it.
Silvery,
What?
coming soon. Yes. I
Man,
see
I
there's a.
didn't sign up for this. I should have been told this earlier.
Don't worry,
I'm
you're
gonna
growing
lose
it
my
on your
hair.
chin, so you can just replace it later. No worries. Yeah. Abbas, welcome back to your own show. And
Hi,
what
yes,
quickly
great to be
before we
back.
start, yeah, what are you up to? I heard you've got a driving license now and Uber.
Yeah,
Is it Uber? Is it?
driving license expired.
So what do you do? What's going on? Are you working as a comedian? Are you getting in the lockdown? It must be hard.
That's the thing. I quit the job to take up stand-up comedy full time, and then stand-up comedy quit by March
Yeah.
itself.
You can't.
No, I'm work. Huh.
Sorry. Go on, go on. You know I interrupt you all the time, so just go keep talking. Uh,
No, I freelanced a little bit here and there, and now I'm working with Made in India right now, which is May Thomas's
which was
collective.
used to be our show, which now she took and went somewhere else, right?
Yeah.
No legal issue there, but because she's a sweet girl, we let it pass. You get one pass per
Yeah.
corporate injunction, and then we deal with it in a
Yes.
more specific way. No,
Uh-huh.
we
No,
love
no, no.
we
May went
Yeah.
happily.
May went happily. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
like there was
yeah.
no issue at all over that.
Oh God, Amit, I touched a serious bone here.
Uh,
I was just
we
being
had
stupid.
no, because we had a lot of conversations about it, right? I mean, like I spent time with May on
Teri
bringing
May ki
this.
leave. So, Abbas, nothing has changed. It's a lot of crap. We have
Yeah.
5 minutes of substance per day, but we're having a lot of fun. And since nobody can really go
Huh.
anywhere still, January has not changed much. This is
Yeah.
the new life. So, in a
Hmm.
sense, you don't have to worry about reaching on time for my show like in the old days.
But
Uh,
this was nostalgic in that sense, right? I mean, like
Yeah.
we were, I mean, like when
Waiting for the
Abbas
last
was
minute.
producer, we were
Yeah.
always waiting for him to
Yes.
show up,
Yeah.
and right now he showed up at exactly like 9:59:40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, like 20 seconds before 10 o'clock, he showed up on the stream, so it was nostalgic.
It was.
You know,
But is that the right
Abbas
word?
had,
Or deja vu,
uh,
which can always send you in the other direction completely. Oh,
uh,
shit.
uh,
Here
uh,
we go again.
Abba, Abbas had asked me to wake him up at 8:30 in the morning today. I've been calling him since 8:30 every 10 minutes, and he picked up at 9:50. It's the craziness.
Boss, you should have just
Yeah.
gone into dentistry
All
and you'd have had
times.
a normal life. You'd be up at 7 in the morning and going to work under 9, and you'd understand all this. This bloody comedian crap that you guys want to do. I mean, working hours, unless, except for prostitution, I can't think of a night watchman, not the cricketing term, but your night shift watchman. I can't think of
Uh-huh.
anybody else who has this kind of life. And they get
Podcast
paid,
producers
by the way, the
apparently
first
now.
two.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Podcast producers also apparently, I said.
No. Do you do late night now, Amit? After we keep
Uh,
them up in the morning, you
well,
send them out.
no, I mean, like sometimes, but not often.
You'll burn out my young stock here.
I
Silvery
try
already
and
looks finished.
I try and tell them not to work late at night, but then they want to work late at night. So what can I do then?
You can't
I
do that
can't
for
help
long.
it.
There's like banking,
Mm.
investment banking, that kind of thing. You'll just burn out because there's no end to it.
Well,
My
there
advice.
isn't, but I mean, like, having said that, I mean, like the way we look at this, right, is we look at this from a point of view of just basically get the work done. What time you work is not really that important. Right. I mean, like if you want to start at 9 in the morning, start at 9 in the morning. You want to start 11 o'clock in the morning, start at 11 o'clock in the morning. It's fairly
Yeah,
flexible.
we've
in that
discussed
sense.
this before, like most of our conversations. But you say that, but then as an entrepreneur, what happens to discipline in the end? I also agree with you. Ultimately, you have to deliver. We want to do this show or that show, put it on the
Oh.
table or send it up, upload it, whatever. But having said that, there's no sense of discipline anymore.
Yeah, so I mean, like these things evolve, right? I mean, like I remember I was just talking to I was talking to a guy who runs an ad agency just yesterday, right? And we were talking about the difference in how work culture is in some ways, right? When I first started working, right, my first job, as we've all heard many times, was working on that Bollywood movie as the assistant director, right?
You really
Rawat.
hate Bollywood because of that one experience.
Well, no, it's not that. Dude, I love making, I love movies, right? But I mean, like that was my first job, and my first day there, I went to the
Did
producer
you do
on
the
the.
G thing, Amit? Sorry to interrupt. Could you?
No,
Because they would be like Hanji,
no,
Hanji,
I couldn't do it.
Hanji. Huh.
I couldn't do it. I attached the sir instead.
You westernized the G.
Yeah.
That's your contribution to Bollywood.
What
You
can
took
I
the
do?
G out and brought the sir back.
I brought the sir back. I
You're just
couldn't
an
do G.
English-speaking Bollywood
So,
guy.
when I say the word G behind somebody's
It
name,
sounds
I feel
funny.
like it's sarcastic. I feel like
Yeah.
I'm being
With your
sarcastic when I
drawl,
say
it
that.
sounds. Yeah, I can
Yeah.
imagine. Karan
If,
G.
if I say Cyrus G, it's like, dude, I'm actually mocking you. I'm not
No, you
respecting
sound.
you.
You're making me a rapper. This is
Yeah.
Cyrus G in the house. Yo. It doesn't work. Yeah, you don't say the
Yeah.
G with the JE feel to it.
No, but I was talking to this guy yesterday, right? And what came up was when I started working over here, I went and asked the producer, "What are my working hours? Right? What is the job?" And he said, "Your job is to come 1 hour before the director and leave 1 hour after the director." Right?
Yeah,
And I mean, like the world is a different world than it was then. Right, this was 20 plus years ago, right? At that time, that was acceptable. Today, if I tell somebody that that is your working hour, that's not an acceptable answer today, and it's probably for the better that it's not, but it isn't.
Yeah, but it works. It swings and roundabouts because in those days, our parents' generation, my dad would be in the office at 9 and he would leave at 5.
Yeah,
Not a 5:01 and not 9:01.
but
9 5. And for
I
that,
think
he would not do anything after 5. He would
Huh.
sit there and smoke his cigarettes and listen to his music. And if there was something to watch or whatever, television being stark, that kind of thing. But that
I
works
think
that
that's
way.
because your dad was a lawyer, right?
Corporate
Lawyer,
lawyer. So it was in a
yeah.
company.
No, but lawyers have had more definite things, right? Whereas if you're looking at advertising or if you're looking at film or stuff like that, or any kind of media thing at that point in time, not that there was that much media then, the kind of hours were nuts that people are putting in.
Amit, we are hogging the conversation, and Abbas, his body language is looking horrible. And Silvery,
No, no.
I think, is in a
I was
coma.
just wondering. I was just wondering for a lawyer. I mean, if the court shuts down by whatever 6 or something, then they have very little to do after that, right?
Court shut much before that. Generally, I think court
Okay.
shut at 5, if I'm
Huh.
not mistaken. No,
Question
but
much. No, I think the last docket
4:30.
said like 3.
No, not 3. Because there's a after lunch session. I had an accident case. I had
Okay.
3 o'clock calls. Just irritate me because
Who
No,
did
no, as in
you?
like
Who
the
did?
last call time is 3 o'clock. So
banged
shut
into
by
a
like
lady.
so
Oops.
basically the last reporting time to court is 3 o'clock. So you're done by
Yeah.
4:30.
Yeah, that's what. And
Something
parking
like
in the Oval becomes available at 5 in case you want to walk your dog.
that. Okay.
Why?
But
Just one question. Why don't courts work 24/7? Considering they're the
bring in the legislation.
the
You
the
do it, Abbas.
paragon of justice.
Fair enough.
Man,
You're right. And because they're always outnumbered by cases, I mean,
Yeah.
you're right. More hours make sense.
Well, we need
More judges make sense.
more
More
judges.
prosecutors make sense.
Yeah.
Shifts.
man,
I
but
mean, but
but you know
makes
how
sense.
government offices work anyway. Like nothing
They have
gets
another
done.
thing.
True.
I won't
24/7,
mention.
nothing gets done. What's the point?
I won't mention which case, but today Mumbai High Court is completely chock-a-block with 2 cases, which I won't mention, which the government, the present Maharashtra government is facing, and obviously the center is pushing. And so all the other cases, I have 2 lawyers in the morning in the gym, and they were just saying that nothing can pass in the High Court today because this is all they're going to go for. Which again happens from time to time. Which then the backlog of all the small cases.
All those,
Justice is supposed to be blind. There should be no small case. Like my accident case was a small case because the lady ran into the car literally, and instead of being fined, I was asked to appear. But my point is, that everyone is equal under the eyes of the so-called law and all that. So what happens to that? But this is the logistical nightmare of the truth, which is it'll never change. The politicization will happen and influence will happen, and you can't do much. I don't think.
I mean, like more than like multiple shifts. I think like the real thing, the one of the real big problems is the vacationing of these courts, right?
But then they have a holiday court. You're supposed to do that. You're supposed to. Well, obviously it becomes less on their holiday, but you have some proportion of cases have to be taken on. You can increase that.
Why is court any different than any other government job?
They make the rules.
You take your leave when you need to take your leave. Why does everybody have to take? Why does this all have to happen at the same time?
Yeah. Sometimes in working hours, I find the lawyers versus the judges practicing at the Oval Maidan where I walk my dogs. I never say anything because I'm from the legal fraternity, but I'm like thinking it's 4 o'clock. You should still be there.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be here. But
Oh.
it is what it is. But by the way, if you see me looking right all the time and expressions coming out of my face and all, it's not because of the cricket match. It's simply
Yeah, of
because I
course
like
not.
paintings and I've got lovely paintings everywhere and I'm an artist. I look at things, I react, I'm sensitive, I internalize pain, angst, desire, all this in one go. What the hell are you drinking? Is it
Oh,
Bonvita? I love Bonvita.
it's coffee, black
Can
coffee.
Bonvita sponsor us? Because I love Bonvita. I won't be lying.
Okay, so let's ask them to sponsor us.
Yeah.
You will have to ask quiz questions, Cyrus.
Oh, that's with a slight Anglo-Indian Bengali accent mix
Yes.
and mention TMC Zindabad from every third question.
No, that comes later.
A lot of anti-BJP questioning will happen also. Yeah. Which is the wrong government for India? Question 1. Who should be the next prime minister? What's her name? Question 2. Oh, superb. Silvery, as usual, we got Abbas on, and Amit and me have pontificated about rubbish, gone nowhere. I mean, we've discussed Teri Maa Ki Jai. That's what you're getting out of this show so far. Come on.
Correct. Should we get to the topic?
Oh, we're going to catch
Yes.
up with Joe Rogan. I've seen him cry, by the way. Do we do highlights? We need to do highlights.
Of what?
GRE.
We should
Of
do GRE
GRE.
highlights.
No, well,
we do
you know,
GRE highlights.
it's our tribute to him that we do the same thing, right? Not that we're copying.
Okay, all right. No, let's not do that. We've been around forever, dude. At this point, we're almost 6 years old.
But shows of this clips of this show do go out.
Huh?
But that
Yeah.
sounds stupid. We're almost 6 years old. It's like a little kid. I can drive.
You can't drive yet.
Bollywood brats.
Yes.
Clips of this show do go out, Cyrus.
Yeah, we do.
You think I don't know? Of course I don't know. Nothing has changed, Abbas. I'm Amit's secret weapon. I never argue. I know nothing. I just quietly do the job and buzz off. And go back to watching games. All right. Silvery, come on, bro. We've done nothing. We
Yeah, let's get to the
freewheeled
topics.
13 minutes. Huh.
Yeah, all right. Let's get to the topics. There was in Staten Island in New York. There was a protest where a Republican politician, Leticia Romaro or something her name is.
Just
She
do your
was
best.
basically part of the protest.
Huh.
She was part of the protest, and so see, basically, this is a protest against COVID-19 norms. Okay, they were like, no mask, we don't want masks, we don't want social distancing, all that.
The
kind of
cowboy
stuff.
fringe.
And during this protest, this Republican politician, she got really hyped up and she yelled, "Heil Hitler, Donald Trump." Okay. She apologized online because she got a lot of hate for it. She apologized online.
Was she African American?
Wait, no, she was white. But she
Leticia.
apologized online and said, "Guys, I want to clarify. I did not mean to say Heil Hitler. I meant to say Mein Führer."
Best
Dude, one second.
clarification.
Hold on. One second.
Ooh,
Wait,
who's a
wait.
comedian now?
Yeah.
Mein Führer. No connection. Made that up on the spot while coming on my cycle.
I'm sorry. I mean, like, this woman is despicable and she's disgusting. But Antrix, read the
Yeah.
damn article. Read the
I
article.
read the article.
She was not talking about Donald Trump. She was talking about Bill de Blasio. She was calling him a Nazi.
Next. But in
Oh, okay. I read the thing.
in
Yeah.
sarcasm,
Yeah.
maybe?
No. So I mean, like, see, the thing is that you've all
I
heard
do
of
that to
God.
my wife all the time. Behind her back, I go, the Führer and all that.
Exactly. So the guy. So it was no. So it
Because
was.
of the little mustache that's coming.
It was.
This will be edited.
Yeah. Have
I
you
will
been-
be edited from the planet. Sorry. Go on.
No,
So
so,
what's
so there's this thing called Godwin's law, right? There's basically the idea that everything
note
descends to calling them
Godwin's
Nazi,
law. Huh.
right? You call people a Nazi. All arguments on the internet eventually devolve into calling
Yeah.
people a Nazi. That's
Hmm.
that's the law idea.
The actual word Nazi or just words like
no,
that?
just like you call them a Nazi, right? And so in this case, what happened was that this woman, she was protesting some mask ordinances or something like that, and she called Bill de Blasio. She wanted to call Bill de Blasio a Nazi or whatever. And listen, she's ridiculous and she's insane and she's
No,
all.
I'm not understanding. She was anti-Bill. Bill de Blasio.
So she was
She
anti
was
the
calling him a
Demo-
Nazi for forcing her to wear the mask. Is this the
Yeah,
context?
exactly. She was
Okay,
called.
so it's used completely
Huh.
different from what we
Yeah.
thought it was in the setup. Okay.
Exactly, right? So again, despicable woman, right? But at the same time, let's
No.
not.
No, she's insulting him and using a villainous insult.
Yeah, she's
so
calling-
being sarcastic, like I said in the first.
Yeah.
If she was to say hail, so there's
Yeah.
a different context. For me, that's a totally different perspective.
It is.
It doesn't make her an evil nutcase right winger who
No, it
believes.
does. It does.
Aryan supremacy and let's destroy people left, right, and center because they're one shade lighter, darker, longer nose, shorter bump,
It
whatever.
probably does. It probably does. I mean, like this particular one, but we should be fair about how we talk about her, right? Because
So
if
like
she
I
was
said,
if she was
in
calling,
India, we're not allowed to compare anyone to Nazis because we don't have any people like that. Ain't nothing like our
Why,
people are beautiful.
why are we ignoring her clarification? She's like, I didn't mean Heil Hitler, I meant Mein Führer. I'm
Mein
like, at
Führer.
least think of a better clarification
Yeah.
if someone's
So
accusing
this
you
is the
for
beautiful
that.
thing. You're spot on, Abbas. She thought about it and came up with Mein
Yeah,
Führer,
exactly.
which tells you this is
Yeah.
a great human being in terms of ability to, spin things.
again, God, I hate being made to. I hate defending people like this, right? I really do. But her point, but I mean,
If she
like, you
was
know,
being sarcastic, it's all funny to me, honestly.
yeah, no, and Mein Führer makes sense, right? Because calling Bill de Blasio Mein Führer makes sense. Calling Bill de Blasio Heil Hitler makes no
Hitler doesn't make
sense.
sense. Yeah.
No, it does because you're making fun. The
Huh.
Hitlerian figure. I would do that. I would. So we have this terrible guy in the club, for example, we're trying to get rid of, who's a bit of a fascist. So you'd use words like that, wouldn't you?
Right.
Because you're actually disparaging the remark. The remark is not a positive
Yeah.
one. So you're doing it from that perspective. That's what I'm saying. It's just philosophically speaking, she was in the right track, trying to put the guy down for forcing her. Forget the issue. What the issue is. Okay. So from her point of view, the guy is a bully, and I'm calling you out, and so I'm sarcastically saying, "Am I right?
Yeah.
Heil Hitler," and I'm
Yeah.
sarcastically saying Mein Führer, whatever.
Yeah, but again, she is probably everything that you think she is, right? Because she is somebody who is using this language to protest a mask ordinance.
Maybe the only book she read was Mein Kampf. Today, people read so little. Whatever's available, you pick it up, you read it, kind of
That is
thing.
true.
Yeah.
That is true. I was talking to somebody about that as well yesterday. How much people read?
I was trying to get a word in yesterday with with a certain gentleman about Hitler versus Stalin. I
Okay.
think searching, and the Stalin's almost triple the amount of victims
Yeah.
on blood list on his
Mhm.
scorecard as against Hitler's. Why does Hitler get the? I'm not defending Hitler, please.
Hmm.
Horrible human being. Don't want him in my family. A couple of the ladies do have that mustache, as I mentioned. But it's just the way it is. It's like they glamorized him in a way. Is that the right word to use?
No, because
as the biggest villain of all
most
time.
media coverage, right? I mean, his speeches are all in video. Most of the things that
And Stalin was more shadowy, is what you're saying. Yeah, that
I
might be a
haven't seen
point.
that much video footage of Stalin as compared
He
to
was
Hitler.
behind the Iron Curtain, right?
Yeah.
There was not that much media there. Also, I think there's one other kind of key difference between Hitler and Stalin. And Stalin is evil as hell, right? But Stalin mostly sent people to gulags, right? Whereas Hitler gave people poison gas, right? So I mean, like,
Stalin didn't want his own son back when he
Well-
was caught by the Allied forces.
right? No, so
Sorry,
I'm
he was
not.
caught by the German forces.
I'm not trying to defend. Like, Stalin's evil too, right? I mean, like, you're sending people to gulags, you expect them to die at some point
Yeah.
fairly quickly, right? But there's
It's not based on racist grounds. That's the
Oh.
only difference. It's just based on you are with me or against me.
Well,
grounds.
no, there was a lot of racism too, right? I mean, like, there was a lot of repression of
Non-Ruskis.
basically, yeah, non-Caucasian Russians, right? So I mean, like, there was a lot of like Chechnyans, Siberians, or there was a lot of repression around those
Those
kinds
are
of cultures.
ethnically also of different religion, but they're
Yeah.
also against Ukrainians, and they've got their own problems.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
there was a lot
Not
of
them, we all human beings
yeah.
suck. Why don't we just accept that?
Yeah.
Human beings are choots.
That is
I've
true.
been saying that from the beginning. That's why am I saying Teri Maa ki jai? I should just Teri Maa ki. I mean, why? What's wrong with me? Slap.
But-
Okay, so that was the Heil Hitler business.
Yeah.
We're done with that. Back to the next
Correct.
topic,
Let's-
Silvery, or should we take a
Next
break?
one. No, let's do one more. Then let's take a
Okay.
break. This one comes in from South Korea, the city of Changwon. In the city of Changwon, they are doing something to increase the population because the reproduction rate is very
Something?
low there.
I'll tell you what that something is. Can I tell you?
No, wait.
It rhymes with ducking.
Okay. Okay. So basically, the city, if you're a couple in that city, in Changwon city in South Korea, you're eligible for a loan from the city of close to $100,000 US,
For
whatever that
one
amounts to in
time
the
or
South
per
Korean
year?
currency. One time. Now, if you have one child, you are exempted from the interest of that loan. If you have two children, 30% of the loan is waived off. And if you have three children, the entire principal amount, the entire amount of the loan is waived off. So basically, you have $100,000 that you can earn if you have three children.
They're just
in the
copying the
city of
Geo-Parsi model, which is very similar. One child, you get a clap. Two child, you get two farchas sent to your house. And three children, they actually sponsor the third child. But they actually do, because it's really so rare. Struggling to get one. So 3 is like, wow, what is that guy?
So,
Like Vishnu's got something special about him.
does Korea suffer from negative birth rates? I mean, like South Korea,
Yeah,
is
it
that the
does.
reason?
The mortality rate is a little high, about 100,000 higher than
The replacement birth
birth
rate.
rate.
So Japan,
Birth rate, yeah.
South Korea, Scandinavian countries,
Hmm.
all these countries just can't get their population going. Come to India, mates. Come to India. We'll help you. This is one problem
Actually,
we've never had.
From what I understand, India also, we've got like
Richer population, yeah.
60%, 65% of the country is at a point where we're at just replacement birth rates. It's only about 30, 35% of the country where the birth rates are really high.
But what kind of people are in that 35%? Beta? What
That
kind of people?
is.
Now, do I sound like Mein Führer? Huh? There's a Führer in every one of us. So we take a quick break, guys. So
Yes.
yeah, I think we should.
We should.
Take a, Abbas, you want to take the break? You haven't done it for a long time.
No, I'm fine with whatever you're good
You don't
with.
want that responsibility. I
Yeah.
accept that. If the sponsor doesn't come back after the break, whose fault is that? The guy who said come back. All right. So we're taking a break. And now we're back after that momentous occasion of break. I think everybody urinated right where they were because we didn't have time to actually go to the toilet. And we have lots of interesting topics with young Silvery. We so
Yes,
far had really given you not much. I mean, the birth rates in South Korea, in a small town in South Korea.
No, I just
Yeah.
googled the South Korean currency, which is a won.
Mhm.
It's
Won.
less than a rupee. It's 0.066 Indian
Don't
rupee.
go by that, but no,
Yeah.
because so is the yen. I mean, you've got to you do a lot of maths.
No, but the story was that the government is literally paying you for having children. So I'm like,
100,000 US, right? He said,
yeah. So with that
$100
is,
US,
huh?
which is millions and millions
but
of won.
converted, whatever the conversion is in
Yeah.
South Korean won.
Okay.
close that.
Still not
Uh,
worth having the child.
For $100,000? Yeah, maybe not.
Because the child is not
But
Indian. Is
still,
that a racist
that's
comment?
something.
No,
Fine.
because
No,
it's a
because you have
child.
to have a child, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, I think the biggest problem, of course, is that if you have a child, you have to stay with the partner. See that these are other critical issues
Not
that are not looked at.
necessarily.
You can't just
I think
have a
there's
child. Like two people
American-
donate or
American kids are
have
used to
coitus.
having
Sorry?
2 Christmases and 2 Thanksgivings because
Yeah, nice. Nice.
their
Yeah.
parents aren't together.
Yeah, yeah. But I don't know. Maybe
So
marriage
yeah,
is
not
overrated.
necessarily.
As the only married person, I suppose I have no one to debate with. But yeah,
That is true.
That's all
now
you
you
used to
depressed
talk
me. My
about,
energy's gone
Cyrus.
down already. I'm feeling sad and lonely.
Didn't you
Still-
just have your marriage anniversary like 2 days ago?
Yeah, not 2 days, but I think about 10. I'll Google and tell you.
Yeah.
But it was lovely. She let me put
Yeah,
the
yeah,
air
I
condition
saw.
on in the night finally for 1 hour.
Mm,
It was good. I got, you know how you give the refugee some food? It's like that.
Yeah.
And then I was sent back to the base camp
Yeah.
to dwindle my time on my own, which you know what that means.
Mhm.
Yeah, okay. Silvery, back to you, sir.
Yep. All right. Next one. This comes from Gwalior. Basically, there is an organization called the Hindu Mahasabha, which are basically a Hindutva far right organization.
One Muslim, one Parsi. We know what the Hindu Mahasabha is. You don't have to worry.
Okay, cool.
Oh, you're the only
So,
one living in Powai who hasn't heard of these fringe outfits because your life is beautiful.
So basically, they had constructed, they had opened Nathuram Godse library, which had to be shut down within 2 days for basically the same reason that Munawar Faruqi was arrested for a law and order situation.
Are you comparing that poor little comic to
No,
Nathuram Godse?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. The craziness of it that Munawar
Huh.
Faruqi is arrested for the same reason that a library for Nathuram Godse is basically shut down. This is very
Did they
sad
arrest
state of affairs.
anybody?
But
He's dead.
they did not.
Tough.
They did not arrest anybody. They just shut
Amazing.
down the library, and that's it. No other consequences, basically.
Well,
There
that's-
were
You know, words
complaints
like
filed-
shut down a library firstly just sound wrong.
No, but
Honestly,
I
even
know
if there's a bunch of fascist crap going on there, or
I think they voluntarily closed it, right? I mean, like, it was, from what I
yeah.
read in the article, they said that, okay, we don't want any law and order, so we will close it.
The
We just
police
wanted to
asked
get
them-
our message
Yeah.
out.
What?
I wish that
Amit,
Munawar
yeah,
got the
yeah.
same benefit, now that I just
Yeah.
wanted to say
Exactly.
some jokes,
Very true.
and now I'll stop.
He didn't even say those
Exactly.
jokes.
He
He
did.
didn't say
Those
those
are
jokes.
online. Apparently, didn't.
Yeah.
Did somebody clarify that? Puneet or someone clarify that
Yeah,
for
yeah,
us?
yeah, I know.
Yeah,
He had
and the
vegetarian jokes
police-
for that population. He had studied his market. He had come on like a good boy, and they arrested him for social infringement, social law infringement, etc. Not
Yeah.
too many people in the room, or all that crap. And that's why they're holding him. I don't think they can hold him on
Yep.
so-called defamation, which is very difficult to prove. I mean, without bail.
No, it's not
So I
defamation.
was
No,
reading.
it's all this public order nonsense, right? It's
Yeah,
this,
that's what they're using to
yeah.
hold
Yeah,
him.
law
Yeah.
and order. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I was
Because
reading.
where Munawar Faruqi goes, millions of people follow and flock, and that's how COVID spreads. It's been proven. So, yeah.
So I was. I'm sure you guys also read this. There was the police. One of the police officers involved in this Munawar Faruqi's arrest. He was giving an interview and he was talking about
Standing for election.
that basically. Yeah. No,
No,
he was
not
saying that
yet.
there's no evidence. There's no evidence. That's for sure. But so what? Before the show even started, they were making jokes about gods and goddesses. That's what we've been
Yeah.
told. That's why they've been
So
arrested.
the
That's
new thing
hearsay.
is
In the ba-
the
it's like
You
the
new thing
saying
green
that
is
Cyrus and Abbas
Yeah.
made a joke in their house. What is that?
Exactly.
the
Exactly.
one of the goons or multiple goons said that we heard them rehearsing the jokes before the show
Yeah.
and they were objectionable. So on that count, they've kept him there. And the headline was very funny because it said doesn't matter if comedian made jokes or not, he was going to do it anyway. Okay,
Yeah.
which sounds like the plot of the Steven Spielberg film Minority Report.
Yes.
The,
No,
the,
it
the
is
name
future
name
crime,
with the name, the joke just wrote itself. Okay, I was
Yeah.
like, okay.
So I just want to know what the order is finally. Jailed for poor rehearsal.
I
mean,
mean, yeah,
what's the
more
tag
or
going to be?
less.
25
Why-
years RI because his rehearsal had a bad joke.
Yeah,
What?
be
Come
a
on.
good comedian and just wing it on
Yeah.
stage. Do
Another
not,
guy gets
do
out
not
for rape.
rehearse your
Rape
joke.
12 years. Rape arson, what, 7 years? This kid,
No,
he's in
yeah.
jail without bail.
I'm trying to understand what the thinking of the Madhya Pradesh government is also right around stuff
That's a
like this.
paradoxical phrase.
I get that, but I mean, like, do they not realize that arresting people so precariously and so like with no logic whatsoever?
You know,
That I'm not going to Madhya
you know
Pradesh
what the big
anytime soon. Abbas, are you going to?
absolutely.
Abbas, you're definitely
Abbas,
not going to
no,
Madhya
Abbas, I
Pradesh
can't.
at all,
Abbas
right?
stays where he is for in the home
Yeah.
right now. I'm not taking any chances, bro. Be on our blood on our hands.
Yeah, no, but I
Really.
mean, like, it's insane, right? I mean, like, you're basically killing off your entire state as a viable destination for anything.
Yeah, but
I
anything Western for sure, going in that
Dude,
direction.
remember that ad campaign, MP ka dil dekho. Like, yeah. Apparently it's
now it's
heartless.
Dundlo. It's the same thing. They just change one word. But the funny part in this whole thing is that we are supposed to be a democracy, but people in power never think of themselves as democratic people. They only think of themselves as totalitarian, sort of fascist people who don't tolerate other people. Nobody ever thinks, look, I'm a Democrat, so at least on principle, I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't just unnecessarily attack right to free speech.
No,
I
see,
should-
it's like like this, right? So when the next hearing for Munawar's case came, I put out a tweet saying the process is the punishment. To which a lawyer replied to me saying that eventually he will get out, and then these people will point to that and say, see, the system worked, the guy is out. But the thing is, you're gonna rail him so
for a
badly.
joke in rehearsal, he spent 3 months in jail. Is that
exactly.
fair?
That's the thing. But eventually, when he does come out, they'll be like, "Okay, see, the system works. You said he was innocent, and now he's out." So,
yeah,
in theory, the system will work. But yeah, I mean, you're rotting in jail for that long, and psychologically, the kind of effect it will have on you is
yeah, it's the definition of a chilling effect, isn't it?
Yeah,
I mean, like, this is exactly that. You're basically ensuring that nobody wants to come to your place and talk about it's just, it feels so stupid, right? It just feels like, why would you turn your state, or why would you turn your city, Indoor's a large city, why would you turn your city into such a laughing stock, right? Where people are like,
ironically.
I have like absolutely like, if anybody tells me that they want to go to Indore for anything, right? We've been thinking about, once lockdown comes up, we're going to start doing live events and stuff like that. We're doing in live events in Indore? Hell fucking no. Absolutely not.
Well, test with Silvery first.
No.
One for the team, then the next guy. We'll see what we can do. Yeah.
Actually, it's possible that I don't get as much of that bad a response because I'm not in the minority.
No, there
It's
might be a
possible.
little bit,
You don't know.
to that. But
Yeah.
even if you're a
Don't
if you're-
tempt
yeah.
them, Antariksh.
exactly.
I know.
even-
I'm not.
Listen,
I'm not
if
trying to.
you're a Hindu background person and you're making jokes about religion, they're still going after you. But what you're saying is, if you're
Yeah,
non-Hindu,
for
they'll go
sure,
after you
that's
with
true.
more zeal. Maybe I don't know
Yeah,
if that's
yeah.
true, but they'll
Yeah,
go after you
that's true.
because that's what
Yeah.
people do when they have no work. That's what you have to do.
Yeah, that's true.
And there's
Yeah.
so many people out there who want to police our morality and our thinking, and they themselves are just so unevolved that there's no point. You can't ever have a conversation with that person. What are you going to discuss? Whether there's sugar in the chai? I mean, I can't think of anything else. So,
even with that, it'll be like, why
What really
why
upsets
two
me,
spoons? Why not
Abbas,
three
no,
spoons?
Abbas, the problem is that why isn't mainstream press talking more about this? More people, why aren't big industrialists or big politicians coming out and saying, what the fuck is going on? They just ignored it. I know it's a small English speaking group of comedians, blah, 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 but it's a right to free speech. I mean, do you have to do a Kunal Kamra and take on
No,
Arnab Goswami to get a little mileage?
But I mean, like we've got so many journalists in jail as well, right, for just questioning
So
power.
they're the ones who want to actually take it up.
Yeah, no, no, well, no, but I think that it is the same thing, right? I mean, like the idea of speaking truth to power is not really it's not really something we do all that much, right? It's more like, hey, let's just try and get along to get along, right? I mean, like that's the default. Let's not get ourselves screwed over. Let's not, it's sad.
You have to check which government is in power and what jokes you're going to do vis-a-vis that.
Yeah.
So there's another law for comedians.
Yeah.
They're going to come to tuitions and study the practicality of what comedy you can do. Because ultimately, this loose masturbatory effort will cost you. It sometimes throws out the gems and sometimes rubbish, but it will cost you, because if you don't, and then once you get into that space where you edit yourself, you lose your creativity and you die. And next thing, you're a news anchor and you're screaming and shouting and alleging this and that, and nothing is ever proven. What happened to Sushant Singh Rajput? Is it a suicide or a murder? Anyone wants to take it up? What's the conclusion there? What happens to Riya Chakraborty and her life, her family? The others are put in the net. They moved to a drug case in Bollywood. They just shifted from there, and no one's cleaning up the mess. What happened to the case? They scream bloody murder. It's been disproven. Has anyone come on TV and said, by the way, we were wrong for 6 months? Completely wrong. Ames has clearly said forensic evidence, blah, blah, blah. It's a suicide. Not a word.
No, but, dude, I mean, like, there was a picture of Ria with one of the Rajiv and Raghu. I don't remember which one. Apparently, I think they're seeing each other now, or something
Rajiv
like
and
that.
Raghu seeing each other, twins.
No, Rajiv and Raghu.
Rajiv.
One of either
It was
Rajiv or Raghu is
So I'll
seeing
tell you,
Ria.
Rajiv is married. Raghu, I think, is unmarried again.
Okay, so then one of the so I mean, there was a picture of them with Ria.
How do you want to go? More gossip, then we give it to Rajiv. Less gossip, we give it to Raghu.
Let's say it's one of the two, right?
One of them has
They're
been
naughty
on the
boys
show
and they
as well.
swap, like aaj main thak gaya.
No, but the amount of trolling that happened on that picture that went up, and there was still all of like, you killed SSR and you did this. So I mean, like, that sentiment has not gone away. That that this guy was.
They've attached the chap and they've moved off. The accusers. The rest of the world will continue to make her feel bad.
Exactly.
You're right. It's and for
No,
that's
that
defamation.
movement is very much alive. Even Daniel Fernandez, a comedian who's
What did he do?
been on the show, he put out a clip discussing the media frenzy around the Riya Chakraborty case.
Oh God, then let's stop the podcast.
On that video, more dislikes than likes. So yeah, nobody's listening.
Will dislikes bring a sponsor? Especially if you're trying to clean your money by putting out a failed good.
The algorithm takes notice of it. The YouTube algorithm.
It's better to at least have dislikes, no?
That's true.
Let's go for it then. Daniel Fernandez, you're welcome to our show.
So I mean, the bot RB to click dislikes is very much active for anything and everything regarding the SSR case.
I think it's so immature, and coming from me, the word immature. But really, I mean, who sits there and going, I don't like
The people who are getting paid for that. So yeah.
That's true. It's a movement. It's a counter movement. We've just lost the zeal to fight for right.
I have a question about the Godse library thing, though.
Please do.
Was it like a physical library that they opened, like a room?
It
was a
must be a
physical
room
library.
somewhere. Yeah, it must be a room.
Which means that this went through a lot of paperwork to get to finally
During this COVID time.
the library opening up.
Yeah.
Did nobody in that chain of events take notice that, oh shit, it's a library with Nathuram Godse's name on it?
No. So
Should we sign off
their
on it?
excuse was that they want to instill true nationalism among the youth by showing Nathuram Godse and some of the
Okay.
works that he's done, and also they want to show how he planned the assassination of Gandhi.
No, but
So
that's
that's part of the
what
thing of
I
that.
think, Abbas, what you're talking about is not the Hindu Mahasabha wanting to create the library. Was there a process for making the library?
Yeah. If the
like-
library opened up, that means
Okay.
officials must have signed
With the
off
title.
on it with
Yeah.
the title
So
and
in-
given
in 20
approvals.
In 2017, they had apparently at another location in Gwalior, they had put up a statue of Nathuram Godse, which again had to
Yeah,
be taken
yeah.
down about a week after being put up. Then
The
2 years
fact that
3
a
years after that,
Godse
they
library
pulled
can
this.
exist even for 2 days is kind of scary.
Exactly. Yeah.
But then aren't we becoming fascists ourselves and not letting counter views? I know he killed Gandhi and all that,
no,
but
we're
you want
not
to stop
because
opinion.
No, because the guy who is being glorified here is an assassin. Like he's a proven guy, was hanged for his
So
crime.
Yeah.
Bhagat Singh is considered by many. It gets
yeah,
murky, right?
it's murky, bro. Because I'm not saying, look, we're very clear, but this jingoism bit has to end also.
Huh.
You have to have an open forum. We have to be able to talk. If we can't talk, then we can never go forward with anything because you're not
But
looking at it from our
having said
perspective.
that, at this point in time, I think Abbas is right in that sense too, right? That when
Boss
all
is
thought on
right.
one side is being shut down with such alacrity, why should you allow? Well,
See,
I mean, like
that's
you
another
should
point.
protest on the
How
other
many
side,
how
right?
many John Wilkes Booth libraries are there in
Fair
the
enough.
US?
No, that's a fabulous point. That the alacrity, the right word with which that happens to our people or people
Yeah.
of creative bent or whatever you want to call them, who are just shining a light sometimes on society. Nothing more than that. They've not killed any iconic figure. And why does the right get away with suddenly glorifying whoever? And no, that's a fair point.
Yeah, I mean, like so given that, I think, but if you were to ask me in even a non-perfect world, but in a world which is a little better than this, I would say all points of view should exist simultaneously.
Yeah, I'm talking from a
Yeah,
non, purely idealistic point of view from your thought process
yeah.
that the point and counterpoint should exist. So as much as you hate the Nazis and the movement and can't believe that people can think like that, in a true democratic sense, in an egalitarian sense, they have the right to express their thought. How ugly it is then law can decide.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like when
Yeah.
you start an insurgency and take
It's
selfies with Nancy Pelosi, that kind of thing. I mean, you draw the line.
so I mean, like again, it's one of the things that I think about, like when we do this podcasting thing, right? We've had some interesting conversations recently, right? And some of them have been a little controversial, and but my thinking is always like the solution to bad speech is more speech, right? I mean, the solution is not suppression of speech. The solution is always more speech,
Correct.
right? And I think
But
that I mean, like that's how I think of things, but obviously that's not
Amit,
the
we
way
are
the world.
evolved, you and
Two,
me. Now,
two
what are
of
we going to do with the
Amit's
rest?
quotes always come in my head. One is that response to hate speech is more speech, and the other is truth has a liberal bias.
Yes, it does. It does. I can't help. We can't help that. It does.
And for some reason, from the right perspective, it's always more aggressive and violent. I mean, that just goes with it. You know,
Again, that's
the trolling
what
is
we think.
abusive, for
They
example.
think the same about
No,
us.
no.
No.
I don't think the left abuses as much, or the opposition, if you want to call it abuses. But there's so much abuse.
They
You
use
try.
big English words, which is kind of the same for them.
No, but there's a dignity to that. No? There's a dignified reaction to that. I have no. It's like sledging. You're saying stop these guys making racist comments, but
Uh-huh.
instead of saying you're the son of a brown dog or whatever, they
Hmm.
can say something. The banter can still continue without the same abuse, and you can still
Yeah.
make your
No,
point.
but so here's the thing, right? I mean, like, again, I think they're wrong about this, but the right does generally think that the left is violent as well, right? I mean, like the Delhi protests early last year
Yeah. Shine
over
Bagh.
the citizen. Yeah, that right. I mean, like on the right, there's a belief that the violence was started by the protesters, not by the respondents.
Yep.
Right. If you look at right now on the American right, all of the arguments are happening that basically we are letting the left present the capital as some sort of unique event. But what happened in Black
Yeah.
Lives
Yeah.
Matter was
Yep.
more or less
Yep.
the same kind
Yeah.
of thing,
Yeah.
with people burning down jails and breaking through
Yep.
shops and that kind of thing, right? So the point of view on the right, I don't agree with it, but is absolutely there that the left is the one that's starting the violence.
Okay, let's leave it there because there's no point arguing this point because we'll have to concede to the right, and that's not right
No, we
at the
should
Yeah.
not
moment.
concede
So
because they're
let's.
wrong. They're wrong about this.
I just
There
want
are
that.
differences in all of
I
this.
just want young Faruqi to get out of that. I just think that from our little world, it's a very important thing that should
Has a
happen.
hearing at 12 noon. So let's see
Today?
how it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's hope that
Yeah.
he's out.
Correct. Yeah.
All right, and if the bail money is a lot and we have to post it, I'm willing to put up to 100
Cyrus,
rupees
you
for
have a new
myself.
Instagram photograph? I've gotten like 2 or 3 requests to show that.
What? It's
Let
there.
us see. Let us see.
Oh, is it the bodybuilding one?
Oh, that.
Yes.
Oh man.
It
Bro,
is.
Yeah, I
those
saw
get
that
the best
yesterday.
responses. You don't know how many people just don't like you. The moment you take off your clothes, they go berserk.
Oh wow.
So what I did is I tried to swallow as much fat as I can, put the stomach in, and told the guy to take a picture.
This is the
Man.
solution for all the right and left
Yeah.
controversies.
When my time comes, I can at least take one of them down with me. No, what do you say, guys? Huh?
Of
Yeah.
course, yeah.
What are you going to do? I bench press 375.
There's a
Alright.
great follow-up question to this photo, like
What?
kind of related. Srinivas Kulkarni has asked,
Hey,
can we just go to the
Srini.
AMS?
Srini's an old friend. Yes, we can go to the
Like,
AMS. Let's
you
go to
know
the
him or
AMS
he's
as
one of
well.
us?
No, Srini is. I know him. He is basically he manages social. He works at Social Connect, one of the large agencies. He's a good friend.
Okay. Can he
Oh,
bring
cool.
money into the
Hey,
table? Or?
Hey, Srini, can you get us some money? He's HR over there. But Srini, get us some
HR
money,
में
no?
क्या करेगा? अब्बास को
yeah,
placement करना है
please.
तो करो. What the hell, yaar? HR,
All right.
HR.
So Srinivas Kulkarni asks, I started going to the gym today. Question for Cyrus: how many times do you sanitize your hands in the gym?
Not once. Okay, may I
Not
be
once.
candid? Because I'm a right winger when
Yeah.
it comes to gyms. That's my thinking is very right, not left at all. I don't think you should enter a gym with slightly sissy kind of tendencies in your mind because you're telling yourself not to lift. So cleaning your hands, wearing gloves, checking your pants and matching your shirt. F that. Be as rough and tough as you can. Come with coarse hands, come with a lot of ferocity. Otherwise, there's no point lifting for weightlifting. For anything else, it's fine. So with whichever men who work out with me or around me, I'm always trying to push them. Let's keep our body language up, aggressive and angry, and not worry about cleaning your
Yeah.
finger. And then when a guy comes and wipes a bar, I mean, blood rushes. I mean, like, oh God. I mean, he's really lowered the bar. If you don't mind me saying, that's just ridiculous. Because the whole body language. Hello, I'm Vijay. Ping, 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 ping. Clean, 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 clean. Then clean the plate. Then clean the plate. Then it's like in a fucking kitchen. Then put the weights on. Then sanitize your hands, then put the gloves on. I mean, what the fuck? What the hell? Are you doing surgery or just lifting? So yeah, so it's just bad body language. I don't think you should ever
Yeah.
do that.
I think
Mr.
they're being
Kulkarni, don't do that.
careful. They're being careful, Cyrus.
No, there's
Considering
careful
there's
and
a
there's
global
paranoia
pandemic
and
going on.
there's sissification of our society. Well, I'm saying when you're doing warrior things, do warrior things, and otherwise it's an overrated thing. Macho concepts for me. I hate men who behave like men for most of the day. But when you're doing things like sport, be as warrior-like as you can. There's no point coming in and saying I want to, because your mindset is bad. There's no way you're going to lift well.
Hmm.
They come in and they want to talk. WhatsApp, how was your weekend? It's all crap. Just get on with it. In that
Yeah.
sense, right is right.
Yeah. So don't shake hands with Cyrus after he's done with the gym.
No, I have this big problem with Kunal. When we go to do an event, we have two different philosophies. I love to start. I want to get on with it. And he goes into a nervous thing. So does Baman actually. That's the way
Totally
they
relate
deal with
with
it.
Kunal.
And I hate their body language. I'm like, why you? Baman pees every 2 minutes for some reason. Then he's like superb in front of the audience after that. So what's the point? What are you projecting? But it's their way. And you can say different strokes to different folks, but it really irritates the fuck out of me because I like an energy of positivity. Like we're going there, we're going to be like, we're the guys, we're going to have fun there. And they never bring that out. Of course, they do well most of the time, but in the beginning, the preamble to that, I'm like, what the hell? Quivering, quaking, 30 years in the business. What? There are 40 people out there. They like you, don't like you. What does it matter? Anyway,
All right. There's another interesting
Amit's sad
question.
enough.
Which,
He's trying to find ways to get rid of me. He's calling
No,
HR right now.
no, I'm
Do
just
we have
looking for.
HR?
No, we don't really have HR. We
Damn
kind
it.
of do, but not really. Here's an interesting question. What is the difference between Abbas as a producer and Antriksh as a producer? This is an AMA question that has come from Ashwini Deshpande. Sorry.
Abbas is slightly closer to me in age, and his body language and chemistry is so contrasting to mine that we have a nice way of working. Like he's slow and and then gives it back in this sort of laid back sort of British stiff upper lip way. And I'm like stammering and stuttering and going at 100 miles per hour. Silvery, I think, gives me too much respect, which I wish one day will stop. It's fake respect. He thinks I'm a prick after the show's over, but he'll send 3 thumbs ups, all that for no reason. I wish he'd send his middle finger because that's what he's really thinking. Especially when he says, "Can you please start the recording?" and I'll say no, just out of sheer being a prick. And then he'll still say thumbs ups, please, like that. So I think that's an age thing he's got. He just thinks he's an old man. I got to show respect. And Abbas, on the other hand, puts you in your place in his quiet way. So. But for me, as long as people,
I still get tweets saying Abbas used to always pick such serious political topics. We're so glad Antariksh picks light-hearted, funny topics. And today I come and it's like Gotse, Hitler.
I think Abbas and I together will swing towards the political realm very quickly and look at issues from our point of view very quickly. Also, I think Silveri lives in a slightly happier world in the sense that right now, his problems are a little different. But I think so. Yeah, we can get dark.
By the way, I saw the breakup clip. Yeah, I felt really bad for Antariksh. And I was like, I don't know what's worse, the fact that he broke up or he has Cyrus to discuss it with.
Antariksh, did you feel nice, that therapeutic feeling that bahar aa gaya, almost like the bimari is coming out?
Kind of, yeah. It feels good to share with with like a
I'm
million
telling you,
people. So why not?
it's like when somebody calls you a bastard for the first time and then you feel really
Yeah,
scared or whatever. Oh, he's called me this word. But if it's said to you 20 to 30 times, you become immune. So you're
that's true.
dealing with it rather than
Yeah.
hiding from it. So you did that. It's over.
Yeah,
Uh,
like in
and,
all
and
honesty, it actually did help. I'm just joking. It actually
yeah,
did help.
and you've got
Just
three
that
girls
just
now
talking
that you're
about it just
dating
actually helped.
without
Really?
them knowing
Yeah,
about the other
exactly.
two.
Exactly. Yeah.
He's
Well,
cycling
now
his
they
Same
know.
way.
ladies. He's cycling his ladies. He's learned well. He's now going to be one of those general
Exactly.
Indian males who's
Yeah.
going to,
And being broken up with three women at the same time is also great. So doesn't
Wow.
usually happen.
The
well, it's a
pandemic has
record.
been
No, it
nice
doesn't.
for
I'm just
It's a
joking.
Powai
Karthik.
record.
All
Yeah.
right.
Okay, one more
This
quickly.
next one.
Yeah, let's do one last
Yeah, yeah,
one.
Yeah, last one.
yeah. This next one comes in. Yeah, this one is a little quite a fun question. This one comes from Shubham PK. He says, how has Cyrus, despite being born and bred in Malabar Hills, how is he able to still incorporate words like truth in his vocabulary?
Oh,
What?
that's. I mean, this is another level of bigotry. Huh? This is boggling.
Yeah.
Who's the guy again?
This is
I
Shubham
mean, you're
PK.
so rich, you don't know truth. It's too much. You have to ask your driver to abuse. Shamlal, आप बोल दो. Word क्या है? वो train का जैसा आवाज क्या है? Yes, do that.
Dude, I mean, at some level, I think that the South Bombay thing, we get mocked
We're just
more.
born here. We're not rich.
Yeah,
Tell them that.
no, and the degree of mockery is sometimes okay, ask me, tell me this, Cyrus. Until the last 5-7 years, did you hear people use the word bro a lot?
Bro and guys is my Punjabi go-to on the Hindi forums.
Yeah, it's
I
not
just like to
so
listen
much
to that
of
one word. Okay,
it-
hala yaar, what's going up, yeah, bro? And I would like to say कि हम लोग की हमारे पास जो जानकारी है आज जो मैं share करते हैं आप लोग के साथ, guys, please keep it with you. And I just, for me, it's like a music. I just like to listen to that music. For some
So
time.
I remember seeing somebody imitating a South Bombay guy once, right? I think of us, if you remember, we had done a series of small vignettes where people were pretending to play different characters. I think we had done that with the improv troupe that you were working with at that point in time, right?
Yeah.
And the guy who was pretending to be a South Bombay guy, I'm sorry, I can't remember who that was, but every third word was bro. And I'm like, is that really what a South Bombay
Yes.
person sounds like? Because I've not heard that so often.
See, there's an affected Hindi in some of the speech in some of the elite schools, but it gets better when you start going to the real world.
Mhm.
Like when I first started working in MTV and what I must have been before that, because even Gujarati I started speaking much more after I went to college because it was very anglicized. Some of our growing up. But having said that, it's not like we don't know bad words. I mean, that's just ridiculous. Who would come up with that? But what I hate about South Bombay, if I had to really look inwards, is the lack of political consciousness. It's amongst the people that really don't seem to have any connectivity with politics. That's there, and I don't want to get gender bias, but it's even more there with the other gender.
Awkward silence. Okay.
What says library should be shut, and we should not allow this kind of people out there with their views, one-sided nature. Transgenders are also people, and they should be allowed their views. That's all we have to say. But no, I over the years, because if you try to talk about politics or you do a show or you write something about that, and somebody asks you about your work, and you can see the blank stare when you start discussing it. I mean, you've already lost points. So where do you go to from there? Because they have no empathy with the situation, especially if there's a political incident that happened, let's say the insurgency last week or whatever, and the other person is like, what? So I've had those moments. I don't know, Amit, if you've had.
Yeah, no,
but
of
I've
course.
had
I
those
mean, like,
moments a lot.
so I think that so there's different degrees of, like, everywhere, right? There's different degrees of political involvement of different people, right? Some people you talk politics with, some people you talk latest Netflix with, some people you talk about where you get the best Caesar salad in Bombay, right? I mean, like, everybody has different this, I mean, like, there are some people there's absolutely no point talking politics to because they don't know shit. They don't pay any attention to it.
Yeah, but if with most Delhiites or Bangaloreans, etc., you tend to get from the same class. I'm saying the same class with another city, you get a little more political consciousness, social consciousness, larger perspective. That's what I feel. I feel in South Mumbai sometimes the narrow corridor happens, and it's not.
I don't know if I would agree with that
We're
because
the worst philosophers.
I think the kind of I think there are non-political people in all kinds of areas, right? I think that and I don't think that is
Okay, you're right. Let's not
necessarily.
abuse them. We may need
Yeah.
their vote. Who knows what we're going to do with our lives?
That is true.
Yeah. But just want to point out, we do use bad words. In the beginning of the
We
show,
do.
we started with them. So hello, come on.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you go to school in any part of Bombay or the world, you will learn the colorful
As long
language.
as you drive a vehicle, you learn everything
Yeah.
in 3 minutes. I had a friend
As
of
long
mine,
as you
female.
have friends.
She learned driving in her 30s, late 30s. 40s,
Huh.
and she used to because I would tell her about driving and all that. She
Huh.
said, how can you behave so badly? She actually, and one of my great moments. One day she came and told me, maybe 3-4 weeks into driving,
Mm.
you're right. There's no way you can keep your temper. People are so badly behaved. And so finally she started using profanity, which she never uses, and
Huh.
that's what what traffic can do to you. I love that. It
Yeah.
was a seminal moment for me. I felt like I've come from the mountain with a message. Speaking of message, my message is we have to stop now. Cricket is on, guys. Come on.
Okay.
Cool.
All right.
Hey Abbas, we'll see you soon,
Yes.
right?
Yes, obviously.
And I think we should just a
And no
message
going to Madhya
for
Pradesh.
sorry, a message for all of the people who are listening via the podcasting app, right? Most of the questions we're taking on the AMA right now these days are coming from the live stream, so please do come and check it out at 10 a.m. in the morning. We're available. We're coming on 10 a.m. every Monday to Friday on YouTube. So we're doing most of the AMA questions for there. So if you want to get your AMA question in, please do come visit us on the live stream.
Uh,
Little
you have my
promoing.
support.
Yes, I little promoting I need to do now.
Yeah, correct.
Oh God.
Uh,
All right.
please like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends about this. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Please like my YouTube channel.
What the fuck is going on? This is like semi-finals of the Miss India. Everybody's doing their own thing here. Come on.
It's all promoting. We all got to promo stuff, man.
Just
Subscribe
end
to the YouTube channel. Yes, for
this
Yeah.
is a
sure.
sophisticated
Yeah.
channel and show. Let's end by all saying the word truth to show that we are very secular. Huh? All right.
Sure. All right. See you, Choots.